Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about a wonderful crystal called Kunzite, and specifically we will cover its healing properties. Now Kunzite is one of the most attractive stones. It has a wonderful shades of pink and lavender colors, and it's formed from the mineral lithium aluminium silicate. It has a pink variety also, so it's similar to iolite. If you watch the video about iolite, there's wonderful shades of violet. There can also be some black in there as well. It's similar to iolite in its geological formations, and it has different shades of pink, different shades of violet, which appear when turned in the light. And although it is actually known as hard in its formation, similar to quartz, it is a very challenging for gem specialists, gem getters, to actually bring out the pink shades in the stone. So don't be surprised if you find it in other colors besides pink. So Kunzite was first discovered in the USA and is also commercially extracted in California. Now in these days it's usually produced or usually sourced from Brazil, Afghanistan and Madagascar. In terms of its brief history, it was actually named after the famous gemologist and scholar who's called George Kunz, and he was a gem buyer for Tiffany & Co. in the early 20th century, and he was also a collector of stones and a collector of legend, also jewels as well. In terms of the Kunzite healing energy, it's basically returning back to the color, the deep color of violet. It's known as a spiritual color as well. Really important for the intuition. Also, Kunzite also has some shades of pink as well, which relate back to the heart area. It relates back to unconditional love. So it's a really useful stone for helping you to connect to the wider perspective of love. Also great for fueling that wonderful creative energy behind all the things, and it can be placed on the chest area. A wonderful stone that you can combine with Kunzite is rose quartz, because it has similar energy as well that helps to support and expand the heart area. We've reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate every single one of you, and if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. I would love to have you on board.